Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you several ways to invest and get profit in car parking multiplayer. So we quickly dive into the map and search for some areas. So here we have few areas that shows money. We'll head there and make some money. So here we are in our first destination, the Donut Restaurant. First step is you buy the place and start making profit. As you can see, I've made 35K, but that's nothing compared to usual CPM players. So now let's go to the next area in the map, which is located in Snow City.
A few moments later.
So we're here, Snow City. So this is another invest, but this time around, it's a filling station. Trust me, this gives way more profit than the restaurant. I just got 184K. That's massive, right? So now we head to the next area destination located in City 2.
A few moments later.
And here we are. And this time around, it's a coffee shop. I bet I earn more than other businesses. Here I earned 188K. So let's head to the second restaurant in the city. Guess what? It's another donut restaurant. As you can see, I've not bought it yet, so I'm purchasing it. So now let's head to the last one on the map. Oh yay, another donut shop. I just got 84K over here, that's so bad. Do you think this video is worth 100K views? Tell me in the comments section. Like and subscribe to get a cookie.